To add a collectible in Scratch, first of all, you're going to need a character that can move around the screen. So my cat, when I go up, right, down, and left, it turns, points in that direction, and then moves into place. And then when I press play, it resets in that direction. So you will need to set up a character first, and there's my code for how I did it. Now you need to add a collectible. So we go to choose a sprite and then pick a collectible. So I'll go with the baseball. And now we need to add code for the baseball. So let's just place it, I don't know, about here. And then we're going to need code for when the green flag is clicked. And we are going to, at the beginning of the game, we want the collectible to show because it's going to be hidden during gameplay. So I'm just going to put show there. And then we need another when green flag clicked. And we want this to happen forever. We want to check if the cat is touching the baseball. So we go to forever. And then we want an if inside that. And then we're going to sense if it is touching the cat. And we're saying forever check if it's touching the cat. And if it is, then it's going to hide. So now when I press play, I can go to the ball and it hides. And then when I press play again, it comes back because we've got that show. To add a collectible in FlockXR, first of all, you need a moving character. And I've done this using these bits of code here, which are also available in the snippets section. So if you click snippets, you can see that you've got the sky and map, you've got the player code, and then you've got the movement code here. So you can just drag those in from snippets and then personalize them to however you want them to look. So then I just press play to reset my camera, and every time I press play, the player is going to go to the center of the world because that's what we've said to do here, and the camera is going to be following the character. So let's add a collectible. I can go to the plus, I can click here, and I can add a collectible in. And then I'm going to be adding an event. So I'm going to go to events, and we've got this event here, which is a collision block. So it's detecting collisions. So on item 1, which is the heart, collision with the player, which is my character, we want it to hide. So we go to scene, hide, and we just check that all the variable names are correct. So this is called item 1, yes. When they collide, and it's going to hide item 1. So then I can press play and I can check that it works, and it does.